toaster.
Thank you. Alpha, negative 10 points for the hostage.
Fuck.
Wow, super low.
Oh. 2, 1.
And that.
This is an absolute atrocious take. Oh, there's. How do you know there's a camera in
Yeah,
front?
no, there's one in the front too. It's cool, right?
Did I give you that one?
It's the one I got from the range for free.
The 320.
No, it's not, man.
This is the Legion. This is the 320 Legion. So it's a full.
Oh, that's the one that's been on the news?
Yeah, but I think this is one of the good ones.
Whatever that means. That's not what I've been seeing.
They upgraded to.
Yeah, so this is a full metal frame. Literally just walks down and misses fucking everything.
The last time he cleaned it was the last time it was used. Literally from when we were
Oh, brother.
I heard that in 4K through these fucking headphones. So this box is all whatever this one is. Huh?
Ears on? Yep.
You ready for me? Oh yeah, you want to pipe off?
Huh?
Want to pipe off? Pipe off?
Go ahead.
Oh, shit.
It's already loaded. Just take the safety off and go crazy. When it's like this, if let's say you put another mag in,
Yeah.
this is the bolt release, and then it sends the bolt back.
This one?
When you get up there, put the mag in,
Yeah.
kind of slam it in a little bit, hit the bolt release, unlock it, you're good to go.
Doing the blackout. Here we go. Excellent. Holy shit. That was nice. What the fuck? The sight's pretty cool too. That's the first time I used that. Ready? Nice.
I'm dumping 30 rounds. Probably.
Big money right there.
Yeah, we'll come all the way out here. Might as well. Plus.